Hello guys, welcome to A Little Bit Chinese. I'm Emma. Today we are going to learn the interrogative sentences with ma. Are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, let's look at these 4 sentences. Number 1. 这是中国 This is China. Number 2. 他在家 He's at home. Number 3. 他会说汉语 She can speak Chinese. Number 4. 我是一名司机 I am a driver. These 4 sentences are all declarative sentences. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you know how to turn these declarative sentences into the interrogative sentences? I'll give you 3 seconds to think about it. Okay. Time's up. Let's check the answer together. To turn these sentences into the interrogative sentences, we just need to add ma at the end of each sentence. Let's look at the first one. 这是中国吗? Is this China? Number 2. 他在家吗? Is he at home? Number 3. 他会说汉语吗? Can she speak Chinese? Number 4. 我是一名司机吗? Am I a driver? It's quite easy like magic, right? Okay, guys, let me test you. Now, I give you 4 sentences and let me know how to turn them into questions. Don't worry about the time because you have plenty of time. I'll show the answer in my next video. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you like my lessons, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be here with you. We'll see you next time. 再见。